let's take a look at the NewAge rolling calendar. The rolling calendar is a very useful tool. It shows you the commission weeks from 1 to 52 as per the weeks of the year. Each week has a designated color. For example, week 29 is Red Week. Normally, the week that you activate your business with 200 PV becomes your color week moving forward. From your back office, you can find your commission week. Now, the commission weeks are noted as the year and then the week. So week 29 would be 2021-29. Here is the NewAge rolling calendar for the year 2021 and the beginning of 2022. Now let's take a look. If I were to enroll on the 20th of July 2021, that would be in week 29 and that would be Red Week. Now if I enrolled with a 200 PV order, that would activate my business, and that means that every red Saturday thereafter is the week that I need to ensure that my subscription runs on to keep me commission qualified. So if we have a look, the first auto delivery would process on the 14th of August, and then the 11th of September, 9th of October, 6th of November, and so on. So it's easy to figure out the week that you need to have your auto delivery or your subscription set up on, as you just follow the colors, and remembering subscriptions process always on a Saturday. I would highly recommend you downloading this, printing it, and keeping it somewhere handy.